Everyday habits can keep us apart. Pero minsan, there are moments that can bring you closer. A touch of a button can move you to cheer. Or make others cheer your moves. Mga masasarap na recipes, pwedeng maging masasarap na moments. Mga makukulay na cartoons can lead to a colorful imagination at yung iba't ibang kwento sa malalayong lugar ang magpapalapit sa inyo. Imagine those irreplaceable bonding moments right at your fingertips. With just a touch of a button, live an awesome life together. Dito lang sa Cignal.